Hi, my name is Chien, and welcome back to the ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework Learning by Example project. And the project name is ChienVH Shop. Okay, so long time no see. Actually, I'm very busy on my work, so I don't have the free time to continue working on this project. But I got a lot of message from the community and also the private web message from some guy, and they want me continue working on this project for some modules such as a shopping cart, uh, um, shopping cart, and some other feature. So that's why today, when I have the free time, I come back to working on this. Okay, so let's get started. Uh, and Let's see what we will discuss. And in today is the day 10. I will show you how to work on the shopping cart with ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework, and we will working on the ordering the product. Okay, so here you can find another video for this course, learning ASP.NET MVC Entity Framework by Example project, on YouTube under my channel day 1, day 2, 3, 4, 5, blah, blah, blah. And now I have 9 video for this tutorial. Okay, so let's open the website. Here currently we have, you can see the step-by-step to work on some feature we have done in previous video. And this one is a product page. Okay, I'm hosting it under the IS server at local, and no need to run the Visual Studio to run the web. Okay, so now I will open the Visual Studio, and now I'm using the Visual Studio 2017. It is latest version for now, and I will open the product page part here. Like, you can see here we have double breadcrumb: home product, home product. I will comment it out. I will I will temporarily, okay, no need to close. Okay, and now I will demo you how to create the shopping cart on this page. And you can see here we have the prior product, and now I will go ahead to create a order now button or link here. And when the user click on the order now button, it will add this product into the shopping cart. Okay, so I think that's all. Let's open the shortcode, and now we have to create a controller. I will name it is shopping cart controller. Okay. Okay, so firstly, I think we should take a look into the SQL Server first to see the model of the product table. ChienVH shop DB. we have a lot of things here. Okay, come back to the Visual Studio. So now I will have to create a model for this. I will open the model here. Oh, sorry. And I will name it add button. And under this class, I will create some property. I will create the property is a product and quantity. Okay, and now you create a product. Okay, let's close it first. And now we will come back to on the shopping cart controller. Okay, so open another one. I will open the product controller. Currently we have the ChienVH shop DB entity. Okay, so I will copy this one. Create a link in the database. And I will create a index page for this one. Reuse the from layout, set layout. It will automatically create a page under the shopping cart here. Okay, I will temporarily close it for now. Okay, so now I will create a function to handle the order. Action result. I will name it either ordering order now, and I will have ID return. By default I will return the index page. Okay, so now firstly I have to check if the ID is null. We will return with HTTP stated code result stated code and HTTP stated code. return HTTP code result. That code. Oh no. Okay, so I will open the product. HTTP stated code. Okay, I will copy it. Okay, and after that we will working on the card. We will save the product adding into card under the session. So I will check if section. I will name it the session in card. We will have a lead card. New lead card. Okay, so I will create a new we have the db product ID and what Okay, so by default, each time when we adding any new product into cart, so it will automatically increase the quantity into 1. Okay, return index, and now we open the index. Okay, here in index we will display the content of the. Okay, so firstly, when we working on the index page, so we should working on the product list page first. We have to adding a new hyperlink here, which allow the user click on this to add the product into the shopping cart. So I will copy this one. I will temporarily copy this, and I will change it into the HTTP action HTML action link. I will name it either cart. The next one is the action name. Yes. Action name, we will open this one is the order now. Controller name is shopping cart. And the next is we have to provide the ID. This ID of product. It should be ID equal item dot product ID. The next one is the object HTML. We will leave it like null. Okay, so now I think we should try to build this solution. Open the web, refresh this one. We have a new add to cart hyperlink here. So when you click on the add to cart here, it will automatically direct the user to the shopping cart over the order now action. Yes, it will open the index page. And now we will working on the working index page. Close this one. Index. Okay. So the index page, we have to create a table. So now I will temporarily create the table to display the content. Border equal 1. I have the name price quantity, and this one is a subtotal. And the next one we have the okay, so support we have to use using ChienVH support model. Okay, so now we will display the content for week where we have the card in this easy under the section we have okay, copy this one. Oh, no, delete. For we have the product name product name dot price it's under the quantity and the last one we have the subtotal. The subtotal should be the multiple of the price and quantity. Okay, so we have to format the subtotal. If we have the money greater than 1000 USD, so we should format it. Okay, we have the string format. And we and zero mean we have no the decimal number. Product dot array multiple dot quantity. Okay, so now try to run it, deploy it, open the website, you click on the add to cart here. Yes, we have the input string were incorrect format. Okay, I think it should be no. I don't remember exactly, but let's check. Oh, I think no. It should be missing. Okay. Refresh it. Okay. Okay, by default it will initially save when the session when we still not create the code on this index page. So that's why we have a lot of product here. So now we open the new session. Yes, you can see here, back to the product. Okay, so you can see here we have just added to the iPhone goal here. That means the quantity should be 2 in this display 2 row here. So now we will fix it. Come back to the controller. Okay, so we will working on the order now here. So firstly we have to create a function here to check if the product is already existed in the shopping cart, so we will update the quantity in this of add new row into the session. Right. We will name it existing check. Okay, I will copy. No, okay, so copy this one. For 0. If dot product ID. Oh, sorry. Then we will return Okay, so now we will come back to the order now. Here. Okay, so it means if the product is not existing in the list, so we will automatically add it into the section in other case. So if you already existed in the list, so we will increase the quantity. Okay, try to view the code. Open again, so close it. Okay, so I close, open new one. Still display many. Okay, still issue. Close it. Okay, I think I should also close this to clear all the session. So we will review the code again. Still a session. Okay, this one. Close it. It is redundant code. Okay. View again. Okay, product 1 1 1 still 1. Okay, so let's review again. Order now. Image equal to return it is the logic. Chica. One. Okay. Another number. 2, 3, and you can see here the subtotal only formatted. Okay, so it works fine now. And now I will go ahead to add some feature like adding a new menu here. It is the card. When the user go to another page and they click on the card, here it will direct the user to the shopping cart. I will also add a link at the bottom here to let the user able to click on this and make it the continue shopping. And we will also adding here a new the delete button to remove the product out of the shopping cart. Okay, so now I will open the layout. I will copy it. Index shopping. Okay. Now I will create a delete button, delete function here. I will delete it. So normally we will copy the same thing on the above if the ID new. Okay. Return. Remove it. Check. Okay, and now you come back to the index page. Index page here, so we add a new TD HTTP HTML, sorry, HTML dot action link and delete. Action name is delete, and the controller name the shopping cart, and the new ID. Product ID, and the next one we have to, when the user click on the edit link, so we will display a confirmation pop-up. Are you sure to delete it? If the user click on the edit button, we will go ahead to delete the product out of the shopping cart, and when otherwise when they click on the no, we will keep it by default and nothing removed out of the cart. Okay. New on click on click return confirm. to edit. Okay. Now go ahead to run it. Refresh this one. Okay. When the user click on the delete button here, we have the pop-up. Are you sure you want to delete this? Click cancel. Click it. Oh, the short looking for it. Then could you have been the one? Okay, so let's open the code again. Product ID. Okay, see it. Okay. Action delete if ID equal to action result delete shopping cart. Okay, try to debug it. We have to restart the Visual Studio to open it as the administrator in order to debug by attack. Here you can see we have the application pool. Mhm. It's noon. Results you are looking for could have been removed. delete. Oh, sorry, not private, we should public. Yes, you can edit it now. Okay, so come back to the index and I will add a new hyperlink here. HTML action link. I will name it the continue shopping. Open to the index page of product. And now I will add the feature to calculate the total of this order. Okay, so open this one. The constant 3. So we have we copy. after that we should display the view. Okay, I will run it again. Okay, so I think that's all for today. When you finish this course of ASP.NET MVC Entity Framework by learning example project, and today is the day 10, we're working on the shopping cart with ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework. We have just done the ordering feature for the product, and I hope this will be helpful for you, and do let me know if you have any question. Bye bye and see you in the tutorial.